Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life Scrapbooking and Card Making. In today's video, I'll be sharing an easel shaped card that I made with this month's Amazing Paper Grace card making kit or die kit designed by the amazing Becca Feeken. Enjoy the video. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you another paper crafting idea. Of course, this is a card making idea, and it is an easel card. It's a shaped easel card that I made with this month's Amazing Paper Grace by Becca Feeken die kit of the month. And so let me go ahead and show you what I did. First of all, you're going to get a set of 7 dies. Let me double check to make sure. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, you get a total of 7 dies with this kit. You're going to get your frame die that you can use as a standalone, and you can see how large it is. You know, it occupies both my hands. So yeah, you can use this as a standalone. You can use it on your mini albums if you need to make a nice frame background for your photos or journaling or just to make cards. And you can make shaped cards just like I've made this one right here. And you have your corners, and the corners go like so. Let me just stick them here. And of course, you're going to hold everything together with some washi tape. That is what I do. I have gazillion washi tape rolls, and I'm using them one by one. And so you can use it like so, or you can do what I've done here. When cutting one of the parts, I went ahead and put it together like so. You can also use these as individual corners, just like this. Isn't that pretty? And so yeah, let me go ahead and give you a walkthrough of what I've done with my card. Obviously, this is an easel card. Let me just show you the specs of it. And if you need to see a tutorial for how I make my shaped easel cards, I will go ahead and link you. I hope I remember to link you to one of my easel cards tutorials in the area right underneath this video. And for those of you who are watching me on Instagram, please come on over to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do a lot of project shares and tutorials, and you will find my easel card tutorials right there in my YouTube and also in my blog. And so, so I made the easel card shape, and the first thing that I did was I took a mirror cardstock piece and I die cut this piece. Now, let me give you a tip, okay? For this particular card, because it's so big, okay, what I wound up doing was, you may be able to tell right there, what I did with the first layer, which is the gold mirror cardstock, and let me show you again right here. You may be able to tell, but you can tell more over here. What I did was I took that first layer and I trimmed it right in half, straight down the middle. Okay? Next, what I did was I took paper, some old paper for my stash, this sheet right here, and I die cut an entire piece. Okay, once this piece was die cut, let's say that this is my piece. I turned it, over with the back side up. I took my 2 pieces of cut cardstock, the mirror one, and then I glued it, one showing the border over here and the other one showing the border over here. And of course, you're going to be left behind with a white space right in the middle, because you kind of like open them up a little bit, the gold cardstock. And that's how I was able to achieve that shadow, kind of like a shadow, mirror shadow piece here and the mirror shadow piece there. It is very easy to make, and if any of y'all need me to go through the process on video because you are a visual learner. So am I. Just let me know in the comment section below, both in Instagram and YouTube, so that I can go ahead and do this for you, make a quick video for you in the future. So anyways, those are my 2 layers. Once I have glued those 2 layers down, I go ahead and glue it onto my easel part. Alrighty. The next step that I did was I took my frame die, and then I took 2 of these, just like so, corner to corner. I used washi tape, of course, and then I used, see this piece right here? This is not cardstock. Whenever I'm doing intricate die cutting, and I learned this from one of my BFFs, Christine is Shabby Pink House on YouTube, and she's the one who mentioned in her videos that's what she does, and it works each and every time. I promise you that. Okay, instead of using cardstock, because sometimes cardstock can be flimsy and it'll damage eventually, I use watercolor paper. Okay, and oops, I just cut myself. How did that happen? And so anyways, after I attach these pieces together, I put this on my watercolor paper and I ran it through my die cutting machine a couple of times. Okay, so obviously this piece is going to come out with these beautiful designs here, and it's going to be plain right over here. The next thing that I did was I took this beautiful corner triangular design, and I used some washi tape to put it together like so, and then I die cut 2. Oh, look at that, it looks just like a heart. And I die cut 2 mirror gold cardstock using this piece. And then what I did was I glued them right over the plain piece, and look how beautiful it came out. And of course, here is a filigree, very lightweight metal piece that I used to give it some elegance, added elegance, I want to say. And I have a flat back pearl button from my stash that I used on it. I just love to make elegant cards, and oh my goodness, it was so easy with this design. And of course, as a stopper, I just made a simple banner-like thing that says, what does it say? Warm wishes. And this was just a stamp from my stash, and I embossed it with gold embossing powder, and that was it. It was so super pretty. So yeah, thank you so very much for watching my videos. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and those of you on Instagram, go ahead and sub to my YouTube channel, because I upload a ton of paper crafting tutorials and shares. And also visit me at my blog. My blog is www.decorateyourlife.com, where I hold monthly challenge giveaways, and there's tons of paper crafting ideas there as well. So yeah, thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye.